Hi guys, it's Ivan Trades. Today we are on Wednesday and I want to make a quick trade recap on the trades which I took today. So today was not the cleanest days you could have traded, and at least for me my predictions were right, but my psychology was a bit offside. So I want to go through how this day went and what I made of it. So you can see clearly that I have stated that I exit out without realizing that the real move has not even happened yet. So what we've seen, I was expecting an open high low close, and that is what exactly happened. And the reason why I anticipated the Asian highs to remain intact is that we closed below the previous day's low with a CB right here. As you can see, I did not expect the price to return to this previous day's high, so I was expecting bearish prices to at least reach the 2024 low. So even though we did not reach it, I'm still expecting the price to reach it eventually. So I'm still bearish for now, and I want to go through specifically the reason why I entered the trade which I entered on. You can see that during the whole Asian session we were pushing higher, making higher highs and higher lows, and then I was also cautious because we already had swept the previous day's low and there was no clear new day opening gap on the lower side of it. So I was expecting some kind of push to the upside, break and retest of the previous day's low to continue lower to the high time frame PD arrays. So when I seen that during the London's open we closed aggressively below the Asian lows, I was searching for I entered specifically here, but I got out right here. This move I did not participate on it due to this rangy price action right here and the SMT which was created on these lows. So after seeing that the price broke below the Asian lows, I thought about it. So I decided to enter a market order right here in this level right here, which you can see, and my stops were above there, and my final TP was here on this level right here because it was the low which preceded a new day opening up, which could be pose a lot of resistance and support to the price. So I just did that and it was like 1 to 4 risk to reward. I entered on this week right here. Yeah, my original stop size was there, and I was targeting this low right here. It was like 1 to 5, but I ripped nothing out of it, so this shit hurts. But yeah, anyway, it was like 1 to 4 hour had I heard it all the way, as I had promised myself firstly. But when I seen this rangy price action and an SMT which was produced here, I decided to close it manually, and then price dumped afterwards during the whole London session. This was perhaps the most meaningful move anyone could have traded, but later on in the New York session I did the abomination because I took a long setup which was completely invalid, and even the little profits I had gathered on this small trade from here to here was swept away by that damn trade because I closed it in a drawdown. So I think this was the most meaningful trade anyone could have got during the London session. In the New York session, of course, I tried longing the Euro USD but got stopped out because my stops were just too tight right here. Even though the price is pushing higher, my stops were just too tight, and I could have simply placed it right here on the low, which made an SMT, and wait for the rest, but yeah, I got stopped out and I re-entered right here, but also closed it in a drawdown, which was a total mistake because I do not usually try for entries, re-entries, so I should just have stayed away from this trade because there was a counter trend, and secondly my stop placement was just too tight. So I think that was it, and I messed up, of course, but at least I can accept it so that I will correct it later on. So this SMT was the first one which prompted to me that the move lower was indeed done, coupled with the fact that we made the higher time frame SMT with the pound USD because it swept out the previous week's low while Euro USD did not. So I was expecting Euro USD to make a deeper rebound compared to pound USD, so that is why I longed Euro USD even though it swept me out of the trade and it's ranging a lot to the upside, but I'm already out of the trade, and the re-entries I'm going to show you on this account. I did not make a re-entry. You can see both trades which I took, and on the bigger account on a trade broker you can see the shorts, the longs I took them on the Euro USD, but short I took them on the GBPUSD, which you can see over there, right here. I entered on this high of this candle right here and exited due to the SMT which was created over here. Later on the price just pushed lower and lower and lower. It's just a shame how I tend to predict the market but make nothing out of it due to my stubbornness. And the trades, they closed the trade. You can see that I'm in a drawdown. Which I should not be side of at all. Could have just accepted my little win. Yeah, there's Euro USD trade just messed up my win streak. they were totally unnecessary. Yeah, I hope you learned something from me, so you will not do the same shit that I did today, so you can improve your trading. If you have done otherwise and you caught this whole move to the downside, please let me know in the comments, and yeah, see you next time. I think it's like tomorrow on Thursday we also have some juicy news, so we will see how it goes. So thank you for sticking around to the end. Subscribe if you have not already done it, to follow for more content, so we can learn together and make it